Filters are a very useful tool in BuildIT. This video will show you the main uses of filters. Let's start with a small workflow, creating nominal points at the center of circles and inspecting their positions. We can select the cylinder or cone endpoint filter. Then by clicking on the inner surface of a cylinder, we'll create a point at the center of the circle. Using the curve arc circle center and clicking on a circle will produce the same effect. To accept, click the green check mark or click with the middle mouse button. Filters can also be used to select a specific type of points in the Move Objects command. Here, we select the point nominal filter and box our piece to select all the points at once. We can then move the points up by 1 inch by using the Surface Normal filter. You can click on the magnifying glass to preview the result before accepting. Using a nest with a 1 inch offset and a probe, we can inspect the created points by choosing Selected Points and the Nominal Point filter. Points can be created on different structures, simply by clicking on them, like surfaces, surface boundaries, or surface corners. Points can also be created at the center of a sphere with the Surface Sphere Center filter. Filters can also be used to inspect specific geometries, like planes. The All button allows to select every surface of a certain type in a model. The Ctrl-A shortcut can be used instead. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit builditsoftware.com.